Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Sage Construction Cloud Project Controls easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Sage Construction Cloud website. Once the home page loads, look for the sign in option at the top right corner of the page. Click on sign in to access the login screen. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to log in. If you do not have an account yet, locate the Sign Up button on the login screen. Click on Sign Up to create a new account. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to read and agree to the terms of service before submitting your information. After completing the sign-up form, check your email for a verification link. Click on the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the Sage Construction Cloud website and log in using your new credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Project Controls section on the dashboard. Click on Project Controls to explore the features available. Click on the Subscription button to initiate the process. Choose the subscription plan that fits your needs. Review the details of your selected plan before proceeding. Enter your payment information if prompted to do so. Confirm your subscription to finalize the process. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after subscribing. Return to your dashboard to access the project controls features. Explore the tools available to manage your construction projects efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.